Hello mga Katibu fam! So for today's vlog, we will be sharing with you our experience at Casili Hills Nature Resort located at Cabuyao, Laguna. And at the end of the video, we will be giving you our review of their room, amenities, and food. So watch till the end guys! This place is located at Barangay Casile, Cabuyao, Laguna, around 1 to 2 hours away from Metro Manila. Sa mga magdadala ng car dyan, hindi kayo mahihirapan mag-park dito since ginagawa nila itong events venue, sobrang dami ng parking na available dito guys. Nagpunta pala kami dito guys to celebrate yung Christmas with our family. So ang kinuha namin is 2 deluxe room.
Hello guys, today I am in Casile Hills Resort. Come on inside. We're staying here for Christmas. So let's zoom for this is the mirror. Okay, and then you can also sit here or put your stuff here. And we're spending our Christmas here. So there's gifts, a lot of gifts. So guys, there's also a sliding door to the bathroom. Look at the beautiful shower. Oh, I wish there was a bathtub. Now, so look at the ladder, whatever. Is this even a ladder? But no. So guys, look at the sink. It's so beautiful. And guys, the beautiful toilet. Okay guys, come on. So look guys, look, they have bathrobes. So many. So when you take a bath, you can wear them. And they also have free slippers. And then they also have coffee. Let me read it. Coffee creamer. And look, they also have a safe. I'll just put my stuff in there. And guys, there's also a ref where you can put all your drinks. So guys, look, there's also a bed. Good night. Okay guys, there's 2 beds with towels on them. Look. So guys, there's also free alcohol, free Wi-Fi, a telephone. Guys, there's a big TV here and a counter to put all your stuff. And guys, there's a coffee table here. You could decide if I'm not strong. You can either put it here or here. And guys, also, there's a sofa. Wait, it can? Ooh, we should do that. And guys, if you want to enjoy nature, you can look out here or be out there. Guys, look at the view, it's so pretty. You can also sit here. So relaxing. So that guys, that's the end of the room tour. Bye!
Guys, yung kinuha namin room is good for 4 packs. Included na din dun yung breakfast nila. Pero I think sa laki nito, 42 SQM, kasyang-kasya dito kahit 8 na katao. After mag-room tour ni Daphne at maglaro din sa room namin, yan! Dinalaw na namin yung family ko. Pet friendly din pa itong resort na to guys, kaya yung may mga baby dogs yan, for sure matutuwa kayo dito. Guys, naisip ko lang, kaya siguro nila nilakihan yung mga rooms nila is para dito sa mga pets. Kasi alam niyo naman, yung mga dog, mahilig yan magtatakbo. First stop natin guys, the pavilion. Dito guys, it can accommodate up to 300 guests, so bagay na bagay ito for weddings. Inside the resort guys, meron din silang boutique kung saan pwede kayo mamili ng mga susuot ninyo inside the resort. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa resort na to guys is yung weather nila, para kang nasa Tagaytay. Plus pa na mayroon kang view ng Mount Makiling and Laguna Lake. Next stop natin guys, ito try naman natin yung kanilang play area for kids. Sigurado magugustuhan ng mga kids nyo itong play area nila kasi sobrang relaxing ng view plus ang ganda ng weather dito guys. Sobrang happy ko nung araw na to guys kasi kitang kita ko yung saya sa mga anak ko. Alam niyo naman tayo, pag happy ang kids, mas happy tayo. Next stop natin is yung kanilang hanging bridge. Guys, na-proud ako sa mga anak ko kasi hindi sila natakot sa hanging bridge. Naalala ko tuloy ng bata pa ako, takot na takot ako sa mga ganito.
Hi kids!
Daddy, you dropped that today.
Meron din silang game room dito guys na sure na mag-e-enjoy yung mga magbabarkada. And gym kung saan pwede kayo mag-exercise, pero alam niyo naman tayo, hindi tayo nagaganyan. After namin maglibot-libot, ayan, nagyaya na naman yung mga kids ko, mag-swim na daw kami. Guys, to be honest, kinabahan ako nung nagyaya na mag-swim yung mga anak ko kasi ang lamig talaga ng weather dito guys. Meron pala siyang tatlong pool dito guys, one for adult, one for kids, and itong jacuzzi guys. Buti na lang guys, heated yung jacuzzi nila kaya na-enjoy pa din namin kahit malamig ang weather. At night time guys, nagkahiyaan kami, doon na raw kami mag-eat sa kanilang Laverne Cafe. Guys, kakatuwa lang kasi nung pagpunta namin sa restaurant, meron pala silang Noche Buena package. 649 siya per head, plus pa pag 4 kayong adults, meron kayong free wine. Sobrang sulit itong Noche Buena package nila guys. Meron pa silang live fund. Kaya sure na makaparami kayo ng pagkain. Kakatuwa talaga itong dalawang kids ko. Nilantakan nila kagad yung mga cookies dito sa resto. After dinner, ayan, photoshoot naman kami. Siyempre, kukuha kami ng mga pictures na mga ganda para i-post sa aming mga FB page for Christmas. Maya-maya lang, ayan, ito na yung pinakainaantay ng mga kids ko, yung opening of Christmas gifts. Sobrang thank you din sa mga family, relatives, and friends namin dahil binigyan niya ng sobrang daming gifts yung mga anak ko.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you everyone for the gifts. I'm so happy.
Guys, naiyak-iyak ako habang nakikita ko nag-open ng gifts yung mga kids ko. Hindi ko alam dahil ba yun sa gastos ko o dahil sa sobrang saya nila.
Thank you everybody for my gifts! Thank you so much! Love you guys! Merry Christmas!
So guys, our verdict. I'm going to rate this hotel a 5 out of 5 rating. First is yung room nila guys. Sobrang spacious siya kaya talagang makapaglaro inside the room yung mga kids and even yung mga pets niyo. Mas okay lang nga sana kung nakuha kong room is yung may view. Kaya I suggest kung magpupunta kayo dito, kunin nyo yung sa second floor nila or yung malapit sa pool area. Next is yung amenities guys. They have pool and even a heated jacuzzi para talaga masulit nyo yung pag-swim nyo. Meron din silang play area for kids, a gym, and also yung hanging bridge guys. Ang ganda mag-photoshoot doon. For events guys, meron silang The Pavilion and pwede rin ata i-rent yung mga open area dito guys for a garden wedding. Lastly, yung food guys, na sobrang nagustuhan ko and even nung family ko yung dinner buffet namin. Sobrang sarap ng mga food doon, though konti lang pero sobrang talagang sulit guys. Meron pa silang free wine pag apat kayo. Yung breakfast buffet naman is okay din guys kasi masarap yung kanilang longganisa and yung omelette. So guys, if you're planning to have a staycation at Laguna, better check out Casili Hills Nature Resort. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye!